Hey everyone, welcome back. I was looking on Amazon the other day and kind of well, I've been looking on Amazon for quite a while and I've been wanting to try out this palette here, and it went down to $11.99, so I had to grab it because look at all these colors. There's 15 on each page and a total of 60 shades in this one, and I paid $11.99 for all of it. It's such a steal. I did a poll on my Instagram and asked if you guys wanted to see a rainbow look or a monochromatic, and monochromatic won. So then I asked which color story you would want to see, and between the four, the winner was purple. So I'm going to use the purple color palette to create an eye look, and if you want to see the other palettes, let me know and I can do another video on those. I also got these gel liners. I will have to put up a picture of how much I paid for them, but I believe it was $9.99. And I also got these for a steal as well on Amazon. So I got brushes. I mean, look at all these brushes. There's a bunch. So I'm going to try their brushes with this eyeshadow palette and possibly a liner or two, and give you my thoughts. See if it's worth it or not. As of right now, I mean, the shades seem great. There's so much variety, which is awesome. You even have some neutrals, so you could really do any type of eye look with these. Oops. My only complaint is that they're connected and they just kind of just go everywhere. I wish that it was stuck like this, like closed, and you could kind of pull out the one that you wanted, so that way they had a home and you could just take out whatever. But $11, $12 I think tops. It's still worth it. But anyway, everything, I have all my makeup on, my brows, my foundation, blush, everything. I'm just going to go into my eyes, and I did prep them, so I just have some concealer and powder, and that's it. So I went off camera and came up with an eye look, and this is what I came up with. Hopefully I can recreate it on the other eye. So far I do like the brushes. They worked very well. So I'm going to start off with a crease shade. This is so awkward to hold. And I'm going to start off with this light pinkish purple. And I'm just going to go into my crease and just build it up slightly. I'm going to put it down and I'll show you each color as I go. The next color I went into was a mixture, and it was this purple and this purple to make a little bit of a darker shade. And again, I went into my crease, but I went into just below it. So just mix them, and again into the lower part of my crease to deepen it up. I'm going to go back in with the original light purple and the first brush, and just blend that out a little bit. Then what I went into was more of a defined brush, and once again I went into a purple, but I went only into this darker purple. And I'm just going to pick that up. I'm going to put it on this outer third. And it did take me a while to build it up. I'm also going to take that on the bottom lash line. Again, I'm going to go in with the first brush and the lighter purplish pink, and I'm just going to blend out the bottom lash line. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Glue, And I'm just going to put this on the inner 2/3 of the eye. Let that get a little bit tacky, and I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm going to pick up this purple shimmer. It doesn't look like it in the picture or in the camera, but it's more of a shimmer. And I'm just going to pat it over the glitter glue. And again, this took me a little while to build up as well, but I did get there. You can already see that shimmer. It's a really pretty color. I'll go in with the two purples that we mixed earlier. I'm going to put that back in my crease in the outer third and just blend. And then I'll go back in with the initial first color, which is the lighter pink, and blend again. Just making sure everything's well blended. Lastly, I went in with just a little brush, a little definer brush, and I went in with this pink shimmer for my brow bone and inner corner highlight. So they really did perform pretty well. I mean, you have to take some time to build them up, but if you build them up slowly, you'll get what you're looking for. And for 11, 12 bucks, that's a really good deal. Like I said, you get 60 shades, 15 on each palette. I mean, you have neutrals, so you could easily do a neutral look, or you could do a pop color, or you could do an all colorful eye look. I'm using the black one, and it's pretty creamy. It goes on really well. Let me see if I can do this in the camera. It's not the blackest of blacks, but it goes on real easy. So I'm interested to try the other colors as well. But yeah, so I'm going to try out some other ones as well, some other colors. Because again, if they all work for 20 pieces, and I believe they were $9.99, that's another good deal. Definitely want to try some more. All I'm going to do now is put on mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with my final thoughts, and I wanted to give you exact pricing. So for the liners, it's a count of 20. I paid $14.99 for them, which still not a bad deal at all, less than $1 each. And then the shadows, I paid $11.99, which huge deal. I highly recommend these still. And then the brushes, they are, how many are in this? 20 brushes, and it came out to $8.90. So today I only used 5 brushes, but I still have a ton of them to go through. And the ones I did use, I enjoyed. They were really easy to use. I have no complaints. Don't have many brushes and you're looking to expand your brush collection, this is a good deal. I really enjoy everything. The shadows are really vibrant. There are some crushed glitter. I can't even think of the word right now. Pressed glitter. There's pressed glitters in each one, and look at that. I'm just going to do some random swatches. So that was in the green one, and that was this green right here. Let's see, in this orange palette, let's do a shimmer. Look at that. The blue. So let's use like peacock blue right here. I think here's a spot. Like, they're so pigmented. It's a great deal. So I would highly recommend taking a look at this palette over on Amazon. And for $11.99, if you need more colors and even neutrals, everything's in here. Highly recommend it. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, and I would go through the liners, but they're all sealed, individually sealed, which is awesome, because then you know they haven't been tampered with. So each one is sealed, and this comes in a plastic wrap as well. But you get tons of different colors, 20 colors. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye.